This video explains how to install an optional 550+100 sheet tray onto a Xerox VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer. The VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer can support up to 3 total paper trays. Tray 1 is the standard 250-sheet tray with a manual feeder. The optional Tray 2 adds a 550-sheet tray and a 100-sheet bypass tray. Add the optional 550+100-sheet tray under the printer in the Tray 2 position only. If you need a third tray, purchase the 550-sheet tray. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the 550+100-sheet tray and remove any packing materials. Lift the printer and place it on top of the 550+100-sheet tray until it clicks into place. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.